Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are working on a Hyundai i10. The issue with this car is it has a ABS light on. So this is the ignition on position, and even if we start the car, the ABS light remains on. So we have scanned the car and we have got the trouble code for rear left wheel up sensor. So first of all we'll be checking the rear left wheel up sensor's wiring. So if we found the wiring is okay, then we'll go ahead and replace the wheel up sensor. So the first step is to remove this rear left wheel, so that we can easily check the wiring and the sensor. So we have removed the wheel. Now we'll go ahead and check the wiring. So this is the wire. So we'll lift up the vehicle on the ramp. So this is the hub sensor right over here, and this is the coupler for the sensor, and this is the wiring. So as you can see, there is no break in the wiring. So if there is any break, the break will be around here only. So we'll open this wheel drum and remove the hub sensor out. So the tools required will be a hammer, a small extension, a large extension, a ratchet, a 14 mm socket, and a screwdriver. So we'll go ahead and remove the hub. So the first thing we are going to do is remove this drum. So it is secured by this screw. So open the screw. So this drum is stuck onto this wheel hub, so we'll just hammer it out. So we'll hammer this surface and remove this drum. So the drum is loose now, so we'll remove this drum. So after hammering the surface, this drum comes out very easily. So this is the drum and this is the wheel hub. So with the long extension, we'll just open this wheel hub bolts. So we have removed all the 4 bolts. Now we'll slide out the hub. With the help of a hammer and a screwdriver, we'll slide out this hub sensor from this hub assembly. So we have installed the new hub sensor on the wheel hub. So we'll just slide it in. and we'll secure this hub with the help of 4 bolts back again. So after tightening the all 4 bolts, just put back the coupler. Now the next step is to put back the drum on the hub. So make sure to mark these holes. So the next step after installing the drum is to mount the wheel back again. Now we'll check the data in the scan tool and check for any ABS light. So we have replaced the sensor as well as we have erased the earlier fault code which was stored. So we'll short trial to confirm our repair. So while taking the trial, there should not be any ABS light glowing. So as you can see, there are no ABS lights on. So this confirms our repair. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.